Papahana Kuaola is a non-profit Aina-based organization that is centered here in Heia, and what we're trying to do is, through our restoration efforts here, try to have it as an example for people to replicate in other locations. Being able to connect people to the land is probably the most important thing that we do here, and we want to provide a space that allows people to feel culturally grounded so that no matter where you look, you feel like you're surrounded by Hawaii or Hawaiian culture. Heia Stream is, the main vein of what connects us to this land. So we have to maintain our stewardship of this place to make sure that what we do up here doesn't negatively affect everybody else down below. I'm so stoked that we actually get to be able to be that conduit for people to be reconnected to the land. And we're providing a space for people to live their culture.